Hello, this is intended to help you get yourself set up as far as how are you going to get access to your book and how are you going to get access to your homework and quizzes. So first of all, you need to sign into Metro State and go to D2L. I'm assuming at this point that everybody knows how to do that. If you are interested in meeting, or if you need some help, I would recommend talking to the D2L tech support. There's information on how to access that. As of right now, we're going to go into the class for summer 24, math 115-50, college algebra, and I'm the instructor. I'm Merrick. When you go in, you should see something very similar to this. And when you're here, I will hopefully have a few announcements up for you. But when you are done kind of perusing any announcements there are, I'm going to ask you to go to Materials, Content, and you're going to look under the content, table of contents, and there's two different topics in there. One is Materials Access, BN First Day. This is the one that you're going to have to use to be able to access everything else. You only need to do this once. So once you've done this and you've gotten access to your ebook and your homework, you never have to worry about that again for this course. So let's go take a look at what that looks like. If you take a look, you can see it says Materials Access, BN First Day. Here's the BN First Day link. I'm going to click that. And as you go take a look here, you'll see that there's BNC First Day. And this is, of course, Instructor Portal because it's my access. But you will have something similar. It would say Student or something along that line. And you would have the coursework here. It says Summer 24, again, Math 115-50. It's going to give you the information about Pearson's eText, and it gives you the code. Now, I have this as inclusive access. You should not have to purchase this. This is already included in the price of your class. You should be able to just go ahead and reveal the access code, copy that, put it in, and hopefully that will be one very brief thing you have to do, and then you'll have access to everything you need. All right, so since I'm the instructor, I will not have an access code, but if you go in under this BN First Day, you'll see this. You're going to scroll down to the Reveal Access Code. You click that, and you would have an access code here. Now, I'm going to strongly encourage you to use the copy into your clipboard rather than trying to write it down, simply because you don't want to know, you don't want to have to worry about whether it's a 0 or an O or whatever other kind of confusions that can happen. What you're going to do here is you would click copy, and you're going to be told the code is copied into the clipboard. Now you're able to go back to Table of Contents, and you would scroll down to where I have ebook, homework, and quizzes. You're going to see that it says Pearson. Now, when I click on this, it's going to actually will take me directly into my software, but you guys are going to have to, at some point here, go ahead and put in your code. All right, you're going to have to paste your clipboard. So again, you're going to have this Open My Lab and Mastering. It's this kind of yellow-orange button. You're going to click that. And you would then have Pearson come up, and they would require that you paste in your code at that point. If you go ahead and do that, you'll get somewhere so that it looks like this. You'll see your managed course, right? It will take you into this once you put in your passcode or your code from the clipboard. And you have assignments, you have your gradebook showing how you're doing on your assignments, you have your e-text, there's video resources, accessible resources. I tend to put things in there. I have the instructor tools, of course, because I'm the instructor, but you guys will probably not see that. And you should be aware that all of these due dates are the last day of the semester. It's August 16th. Please do not wait until then to try to start your assignments. You will want to get them started as soon as possible and work on them, every day, every 2 days, work on them until you have them to 100%. There is absolutely no reason not to have 100% because I don't penalize you. I will be putting up a schedule of classes that or times and due dates that are recommended so that you're keeping yourself on track for your coursework. All right, but that is not going to be something that you're going to be penalized if you miss that deadline. I do want to make sure you understand, though, that there is no extension beyond August 16th. That is the absolute, completely last day to be able to do any work, and it's right up until midnight, right? 11:59 p.m. You're allowed to do your work right up until the very end. All right, I'm going to stop this here, and if you have questions, feel free to get in touch with me.